In this lecture we are going to learn about this reference. Suppose we want to take reference some external drawing or some external images, and we want to take those images in our drawing. Like suppose we are going to put our company logo in our drawing, then how we can do it? So for this thing we take some commands that is under reference. Either we can go from here or we can start from here. We can first of all we can go from here. Click on this arrow. Now this dialog box will open. Now I am clicking here. Here from this flyout I can get attached DWG. This is about drawing file. Suppose I want to attach some external drawing file, then I can click here and I can select any drawing. Suppose I am selecting a drawing from here, those drawings which are showing preview here. Suppose I am taking this drawing from this external reference, and this external reference will be maintained with this drawing. Suppose we want to do any changes in the parent drawing, the changes will affect in this drawing also according to the external reference. This is the meaning of external reference. Now I want to attach an image, then select. Suppose I want to add a company logo in our drawing, so I can take this logo from here like this. We can change the angle of the image that is showing on the screen. We can change the scale of the image. Now suppose now it is asking about the insertion point. Whenever I click, it will create the base point. Now once I drag outward, it will increase the scale of the image. Now we can easily see, and we can import image and an external drawing reference. So we can remove the selected reference path if we don't want to link with this drawing with the external reference. So we can remove the path from here. Now close. We can do the same thing from this attach. Now for all image file I am selecting again this, open. Same commands will be showing here. Suppose I want to change the angle of this image, or I can get it at this angle like this. Now one more command is there, clip. What is this? Clip. Click here. Now select, this is asking select object to clip. Suppose I want to clip this image. Now this is giving options: on, off, delete, new boundary. Suppose you want to off this thing or on this thing, or suppose you want to delete this image, or suppose you want to create a new boundary of this image. I said yes, new. For this new I am taking N. Yeah, this is giving me option to create a new boundary with the help of polyline, polygon, rectangle or invert. I am using rectangular as it is giving by default. Right, it is asking about the first corner of the rectangle. I said yes, and the second corner I said yes, and rest all will be deleted. This image has been clipped. If I want to now adjust, what is this? Adjust is nothing but it controls the brightness, contrast of the image. Select the object, then enter. It is asking contrast, fade and brightness. of this image. Say I want to change the contrast. For this contrast I'm typing C as alias given in blue color. Now it is already given in 50. The range would be 0 to 100. I have to give only 0 to 100, and by default it is showing 50. Now I'm saying it should be 70 according to me. Now the color has been changed according to the new contrast value. This is the method by which we can link the external objects. We can add some PDF files also. DWF microstation file. This is the work of external reference.